Tru-tile. Hi, question for you. I have a vinyl pool that I want to add the Tru-tile system to, do a new liner and new coping and surround. Is it possible to retrofit an existing vinyl pool, or is the Tru-tile system only for new vinyl pool installations?
Well, that's a bit of a trick question because yes, the straight up answer is yes, you can renovate a pool with Tru-tile. The challenge with it is finding someone that's qualified to do the Tru-tile system, because a number of years ago, Latham decided that they are not going to just sell the product for anyone to install. It takes some specialty training. So if you can find someone to do it, then it absolutely can be done on a retrofit, on a redo.
Is it something you have done?
It is something that I have certainly done, and when the circumstance arises, I would do it again. But it's possible. The difficulty is finding someone that's qualified to do it.